Hello everyone, my name is Amanda and welcome to Crafting Right. Happy St. Patrick's Day! I know it's a few days before St. Patrick's Day, but I have to give you these ideas before the actual day. So I'm going to be making a really cool centerpiece. It's going to look like this. And you can, of course, do this in a bunch of different ways. I am going to be using gold spray paint, but you could use green if you wanted to. The first step, if there's a sticker on the bottom, the first step is to take that off. I'm going to go spray paint the jar. And there we go. All I did was I put the jar upside down and spray painted it like this. Another way that I thought about doing it was overdoing the spray paint on the top so that it would drip down. Next, we'll set the jar aside, and next we'll do our rainbow. You just need a strip from each color of felt. The length that I'm doing these is about the short side of one of these pieces of felt. Now, there's a couple different ways to go about putting these together. The way that I'm going to do it for this is hot glue, but another way that you could do it is to put two pieces together and do a whip stitch along the entire length and then repeat with the next color. I'm going to put the hot glue along the edge and then have the orange go right on top of it and try not to burn myself. I did it again. Apparently I'm out of practice with the hot glue. That was several times in a row. And be careful not to burn your fingers this time. And you don't have to press the hot glue too hard. That's where I messed up on the orange and red connection. I was pressing it too hard, it oozed out, and I burned my fingers. Now I can turn it over and I can't see any of the hot glue. So the next thing that we want to do is put it into the jar like that. And it kind of looks like it's wearing a cape. So we're going to put some hot glue right there, and then we're going to stick it to the inside of the jar like that. Look at that. I am going to make it look like it is flowing. So I just put a little bit of hot glue right there so that it would stay. And I'm going to cut right there, just kind of eyeballing it. There we go. And voila! I'm not going to make these because they take a little longer, but I will show you how I did it. These are little shamrocks, and I did them two different ways. I started both of them with a piece of felt that looks like this. With this one, I scrunched each leaf together, put a thread through, and pulled it tight. With this one, I did a similar concept, but I only folded it once instead of scrunching it, and I did it with hot glue. So it looks like that. So now what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to take these bamboo skewers. This is acrylic enamel paint. This is the kind of paint that you would use on glass. These are some drink/cupcake stencils that we sell. I like to use them for cupcakes. I'm going to put a picture right here. But you can also use them for like lattes or hot cocoa, and there's a picture of that. Right now, I'm going to use it to put a little design on here. For the stencil, I'm going to use a brush like this. There we go. I'm using the other brush to write Lucky on it. Oh, here it is. I got these little LED tea lights. Put that right in there. Put these guys on out there. And you, of course, can go as crazy as you want with something like this. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Click here to watch a video that YouTube recommends to you. Click here to subscribe, and check down in the description for the link to our website. And I'll see you next time when we will be crafting right.